Does this ever happen to you? Monday through Saturday, it feels like I'm in a daily battle with my alarm clock. It's a fight I always lose. It's dark, it's cold, and the only thing I want in the entire world is just 5 more minutes of sleep. The struggle is definitely real. But then, Sunday comes along. The one glorious day I can actually sleep in. And what does my brain decide to do? It wakes me up at 6 a.m. No alarm, just bam. Eyes wide open. It's like my internal clock has a personal vendetta against me. All that energy I desperately needed on Tuesday for that big meeting. Oh, it decides to show up on Sunday morning when the most demanding task I have is doing laundry. Why? Brain, why? It's the ultimate betrayal. If teases you, hit that like button, and let me know in the comments what country you're watching from. Subscribe for more chaos.